Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your village YouTuber Merit. If you're new here, hi, thank you for clicking onto this video, and if you're not new, thank you for staying glued to this channel. So today's video, I'm super excited. I'll be taking you guys along with me to see the dam. We're heading to Mwomboshi Dam here in Chisamba. I'm super excited because I've never been there. I've only been seeing pictures, and guys, it is so amazing. It's so beautiful. So I decided to take you guys along with me. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe.
In times of trouble, he is my help. Yeah, I know no fear. I know he'll be right there. Hey, he really does what.
My goodness, guys, this is so beautiful. Can you see? Oh my goodness. Guys, can you see the waters? Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. And then let's see. Oh my god. This is the dam, you guys. Can you see? Is my camera doing justice? I hope it's giving what it's supposed to give, because my view, oh my goodness, I've never been so excited in my life. This is so nice. Wow. Guys, I'm afraid of heights. If you know me, I'm scared of heights. We came from over there, and this is where we're going. It is so beautiful and so big. guys, you didn't tell me life. Say hi, this is my sister. I am Moana. See the water. See the water. This is so nice. I'm so amazed by this creation, guys. Nature is so beautiful. Leroy, say hi to my YouTube channel. Say welcome to my YouTube channel.